Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to Learning with Miss Nancy. And today we're going to talk about farm animals. Yes, lions and tigers and bears. Oh my, they're not farm animals. Farm animals are animals that live on a farm and are reared on a farm. And a farm is a big, gigantic mass of land where there are buildings that house animals such as chickens, cows, and sheep. Those types of animals are farm animals, and they grow and they're taken care of, and then they produce things or they make foods and things for us to keep us healthy and strong. Also, on a farm, the people that work on the farm help to grow things like crops. And crops are vegetables. Vegetables like spinach, yum, broccoli, string beans, carrots, tomatoes. That's on a farm. Or fruit. I know you love fruit. Things like apples, and bananas, and peaches and plums and cherries. Those are fruits. And also on a farm, they grow things like grains. Grains are things like wheat and corn and rice. So all of these things are on a farm: vegetables and grains and animals. And so we're going to talk about a few farm animals. So, on a farm, you will see chickens. What sound does a chicken make? What sound does a chicken make? Okay, so chickens on a farm produce or make eggs. Exactly. Do you like eggs? Raise your hand. I love eggs. And we're so thankful to chickens because when they lay eggs, we're able to now go to the market and buy those eggs and make scrambled eggs, right? Fried eggs. We use eggs in recipes. You can boil your eggs, right? Also, chickens make meat that we like to eat. What kind of chicken meat do you like? Chicken legs, chicken wings, chicken breasts. So when you go out to eat at restaurants, when you order some chicken wings or chicken legs or chicken breasts, all of that's from a chicken. And we're so thankful. And a chicken lives on a farm. Yes. Another farm animal that's important to us is a cow. What sound does a cow make? Moo. Yes, a moo sound. And oh my goodness, we get so many things from a cow. We get things like milk from a cow. My, oh my, oh my. We love milk. We drink milk whole. We drink milk with our cereal. We like milk to dip our cookies in the milk and eat it, right? We use milk for our recipes. And from the cow, we get dairy products. Things like butter. We need butter for our toast, right? You get yogurt. Do you like yogurt? Yes. And so you can get things like cheese. All of that kind of stuff comes from a cow. Not only dairy products and milk, but you get meat from a cow. Yes. You get steak. You like steak? And how about in the summer when you have a barbecue and dad or mom puts ribs on the grill? Do you like barbecue ribs? Well, guess what? You can thank a cow for barbecue ribs. Yes, that comes from a cow. So we get a lot of things from a cow. And what about a sheep? Yes, you will see sheep on a farm. And what sound does a sheep make? Baa, baa, right? So what do you get from a sheep? You see that nice woolly hair on a sheep, those fibers. Well, guess what? We use the wool, the fibers from the sheep to make clothes, mittens in the wintertime, wool hats when it's cold, wool scarves around our neck, coats, yes, rugs. All kinds of materials can come from a sheep because we use that wool for a lot of things. So we're very thankful for farm animals. We love all animals, but specifically today, we're talking about farm animals. And I just gave you 3 farm animals that we can be thankful for. Chicken, right? Chickens, cows, and sheep. Very good. Now I want you to watch a video that gives you more information about our farm